Welcome to this video. If you're looking to permanently delete your Signal account, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching apps or simply taking a break from messaging platforms, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process on Android. Make sure to follow carefully so nothing is missed. First, open the Signal app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, tap on Account. Inside the Account section, tap Delete Account. You will now be asked to enter your phone number. Type in your phone number carefully, including the country code if needed. Once entered, tap Delete Account again to confirm. Signal will now remove all your data and unlink your phone number from the service. Keep in mind, once deleted, you cannot recover your messages or account history. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you need help with anything else.